All right, new furnace igniter came in. Here was the old one. It was together, but there was a little black mark in there when I took it out, and then I barely touched it and just fell apart on me. So here's the new one. Just open this up. Looks pretty similar. So I'm obviously going to have to take out this bracket and put it onto this one. And then we'll just put it in the furnace and see what happens. All right, so we took the bracket off of here.
Okay, I'm done. That was
good,
pretty
good
tight
job,
screw.
Jaela. Yeah, so Jaela did say that the screw here, let me just show that. Jaela said that the screw here was really tight, but she did a good job of getting it unscrewed and put onto the new one. All right, now let's go install this sucker. What do we do now?
And what you're gonna do is take off the cover of this.
Okay.
And then, and those two little holes right there is where we're gonna be installing it.
Okay, yeah, just those two holes right there. Okay, and then we're going to connect it to this two little plugs things. We're going to put it into the new one, and then we're going to fire up and see if it works.
Okay, and now, that's screwed in, and what you want to do is take these two doohickeys and then push them in, and if it doesn't work, and you want to turn this around, and then until it snaps, it's good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if that worked. Okay, so right here is where we put the furnace igniter. So you can see how it goes right in front of the tube. So now that it's plugged in, ideally, when the furnace turns on, that little thing will get red hot and light up the gas. So we're going to do the switch. Now that the switch is on.
Okay.
Okay, so it's on. We just turn the switch on. We turn the heater on.
I'm like literally so scared.
All right, so the fan's going to go for a little bit.
No.
And then we're going to hear the actual, okay, there it goes. Eat it. Okay, try to get into that. We're going to see if that gets red hot. Here, let me do it. We're going to hear a little click. And then when that click comes on, then we should see that thing get pretty hot.
Is there a ghost in there? Because that would be cool. I don't want it.
Okay, so the heater just went on. Oh, there it goes, red hot. Perfect. And you, my assistant.